Okay. Ayesha, can you hear me? Okay. Uh, all right. So, mm, is it possible to just open your audience a bit, just to know each other, and then maybe we can start? Hamza, are you there?
Yeah,
All right. Hamza, you are from Egypt.
yeah, I'm from Egypt, but I'm staying in Malaysia now because I just graduated from University of Nottingham there.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
So, you are you the one who did the statistics, or
Sorry, I'm the one what?
who did the statistics?
No, I'm the mechanical engineer.
Oh, mechanical engineer. All right.
Yeah.
Ayesh, are you there? Maybe she's shy. Okay. All right. So me, my name is Nkosikona. My Zulu name is Nkosikona, but my English name is Blessing. I'm originally from South Africa. So I did a I first did a qualification in textile technology, and then later on I transitioned to data analysis. I did a qualification in data analysis, and then also did another one in data analytics. So there's a difference between data analysis and data analytics. And also I also did machine learning. So yeah, I can't name all the things that I did, but I did machine learning and all these other tools like SharePoint, and yeah. So yeah. Hamza, do you want to know anything? Anything else? Hamza, you still there?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, so do you have any background in Python?
Actually, I took a module in my foundation degree about Python, but
Mm.
it was pretty basic, and that was like 5 years ago. So I forgot about everything. But then I took another module in my final year, which is artificial intelligence. But
Oh,
unfortunately, in my university, they teach us the artificial intelligence, like the machine learning algorithms,
mm.
supervised and unsupervised reinforcement learning, but using MATLAB.
Oh,
So I actually like the idea of the machine learning and the algorithms and the math behind it and all of that. So I
mm.
wanted to explore that more. So that's why I wanted to learn Python on my own. Then,
Mm.
like I think 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, I started learning Python on my own using like the Harvard CS50 YouTube videos and the Stanford Coursera machine learning data science stuff. So
Oh,
that's why I started like 2 weeks ago.
all right. Okay. Okay. So I think also, Aish, I don't know why she's shy, but yeah. Uh, Today we're gonna be starting a little bit of. Oh, okay, I think she. Aish, are you there? Okay.
I'll
Uh,
just go bring an AirPods and come back.
Sorry?
I will just bring headphones and come back.
Alright, okay.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, I see Aisha. I think she's no longer with us. I'm not sure where she is. Okay, so do you, are you familiar with this place here,
Yeah,
Jupiter?
Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so basically, what I've prepared today is for us to just start in the basic on a very basic level. Like I will do variables. I'm sure you've done variables before.
Yeah, with as I mentioned, the CS50 thing. I'm actually
Yeah.
still watching the videos. I'm in the part of the libraries right now. But I
Oh,
finished condition functions, variables, conditionals, loops, and
oh,
exceptions.
all right.
So,
So what do
so
you? Okay. So do you know how to create visualizations and stuff?
I know I didn't reach that part, which is I think you mean like by importing the Matplotlib, for example, library to use the visualizations, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't do that yet.
Okay, because I don't see Aisha now. She's the one who really need the basic. So
Mm,
we can just start with you. We can just start from the. You can just do visualization.
mm.
Uh, okay. Okay. So yeah. So are you familiar with everything here? This is a cell. This is a cell, and then the this one is a drop down. If you want to go to add another cell, you
Mm,
can just click here, and then you can click also this one to go up.
mm,
uh, and then this box here is if maybe I am okay, let me just close here. If maybe I want to run something like x is equal to this box is still empty, it will just if it is still processing, it will show a star like
mm.
here in this inside, and when it has gave us the results, it will show a num. So yeah, and then yeah, I think since you know like some basics, then we just
Mm.
the first library. So the first one you're gonna import is PD. So do you know this one?
Import pandas. Yeah, pandas is another library, but I didn't use it before.
Okay. So do you know what is it used for?
I think data manipulation, if I'm not mistaken.
So, all right. Okay. So pandas is basically for anything that has to do like with the maybe tables and yeah, just to show tables because we can show tables without a NumPy and the Matplotlib. Can use
Mm,
pandas, yeah, to show tables and rows and columns and all those things.
mm,
Yeah, and then we have a okay, let's just use this one for now. Import pandas as PD. And then the next thing we're just gonna say PD dot read CSV. Okay, we're gonna use a CSV. I didn't prepare for visualization, but we're gonna just gonna pick up any data set. Let
mm.
me see. Uh, let me see. Okay, let me see this one. This part. Okay, so gonna use this one. Okay, what did I do there is okay, I just say PD which is this PD here.
Mm.
So PD, okay, PD is almost like a variable now for
Mm.
all these other things. So say,
Yeah, and instead of writing pandas every time, right?
yeah. So you just say PD dot, okay, we'll just say df is equal to PD dot read underscore p, and then we will open the brackets. So then I'll go to this file here. So I'll just click it and then say shift, and then I'll right click. So if I press shift, you don't remove your finger from shift, and then you right
Mm.
click. So it will show copy as path. If you didn't, if you just click and then you press right click without clicking
Mm.
shift, it won't show copy as path.
Mm.
I can click it and then say click as path, and you have to put R here first, and then you can say Control V, and then close the brackets. So then you can see there's a star here. Okay, it's saying PD is not defined to you.
Mm.
Yeah, so read PD. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna run. See, there's a star that is processing.
Mm.
Okay, so say df PD. Uh, let me take my USB. I think I'm coming now. Let me go fetch my USB. This file is not on this laptop.
Oh, I get what you mean.
Okay. 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 Let me see which one I can choose. Cause. Mm, mm, top. Uh, document. Okay. Let me see this one. No. Okay. Let me take this one. Okay, this one is an Excel file. So Okay, I'll just replace this one. And then change here. So if it is an Excel file, then you have to change from, you can just say Excel. So, and then you, okay, here I put, okay, you can see it is showing up. Okay, let me just show you again so that you can. So basically, you have to put data frame. Have you ever used a data frame before?
I think in MATLAB, yeah.
Sorry?
I think in MATLAB.
All right, okay. You just say df, so df is gonna be our variable. So you say it's equal to pd it a underscore, and then you can copy part. Okay, then you see now it's already reading this file. So now we can just this. So others they do, let's say, print data frame. Then it will show like this. I mean, normally I just read it like this. Yeah. So do you want to try maybe and read this file, or if I can send you from that side?
Oh, I have a question. How do you import the, like, where do you download the libraries from?
Oh, are you using an account?
I'm using VS Code, but I can use Anaconda.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You can download it here on command prompt, or you can even download it. You can even install them here. Say pip install panda. So it will install. Me, I have pandas here, so it will install. If you want to install Matplotlib, say pip install pip. Yeah.
On a command prompt, right?
Yeah, you can use it on command prompt. Me, I'm using command prompt for. I don't use Anaconda or Visual Studio. So you see here it says required a new release of pip is available. So yeah. Okay, let me just show you. You can use command prompt, or you can use Windows PowerShell. Let me show you on Windows PowerShell. Uh, okay. So we'll just say pip install. Uh, so it is running now.
Okay, it said already for me also requirement already satisfied for pandas and matplotlib.
Sorry?
For me, it also said satisfied, like it's downloaded.
You're right, yeah.
But when I import it as PD,
Uh,
and I think it gives error.
oh,
It says import error, unable to import required dependencies.
oh, yeah, you're doing that on the Visual Studio. Or
Yeah.
okay, try to show me. Try to log in and show me. Uh, uh, do you have any data sets there from your side?
Um. uh,
Or
Okay.
maybe I can send you.
Yeah, you can just forward this to me, like any data set.
Okay, okay. Uh, mm, uh, okay. Mm, 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 okay. Don't know why it don't want.
It's fine. I found data sets anyway
Oh,
instead
you
of doing all of it.
found it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I wanna show you what I keep getting.
okay, let me more out. Stop sharing. Okay, you can share the screen that side. Yeah.
Yeah, can you see this?
Uh, not yet. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, I think I can see. Yeah, I can see it now. Okay. Mm, mm, okay. So you must use Jupyter Notebook inside there. Otherwise, it will give you some problems.
Mm.
Okay, so you can just go inside the no, don't go to Anaconda, go to Visual Studio.
Visual Studio?
Yeah, then go
Okay.
to file. Just just go to a new file like
A new Python file?
yeah yeah. You see there, just go to select a language. Select
Where's that?
on those blue words there like
Oh,
yeah. Select a language and then just scroll down there. Scroll down. Mm, or just type Python.
oh, this one.
Yeah, Python. Yeah, and then uh, okay. Mm, okay, go to uh, okay. So just go there. See, there must be like a place where you need to choose an environment. Uh, okay, okay. Say fill with templates. Go to fill with templates. Okay. And then type Jupyter Notebook. Then see Jupyter. It's not gonna show there. Okay, you know what? Just go to file. go to file there on your options. Yeah, there, and then say new file, a new text file.
Okay.
Eh, okay, say select. Okay, just go to a new file. Don't not a new text file. Yeah.
Just a new file.
Yeah, new file. Yeah, that's the one. Say Jupyter Notebook.
Jupyter, this one.
Yeah, new Jupyter Notebook. Yeah,
Okay. Should I try here?
yeah, and then it should also you should inside this Jupyter Notebook you need to choose a Python environment.
Oh.
Yeah, just wait. You see, it's saying detecting a kernel what.
Uh.
Yeah, just wait a bit there until it's loading. It's finished loading.
Oh, it detects the language automatically, right?
It is yeah, it's detecting the language, yeah, because we are using we are inside Visual Studio, and then inside Visual Studio we use Jupyter Notebook, and inside Jupyter Notebook we're gonna use Python environment. So this is the best way to run your code.
What's actually the point of the people doing that? Like, why don't people just code on VS Code?
No, VS Code is actually like a, you see, like if you, let's say maybe you're going to a stadium, so it is a stadium, like a stadium, and then uh, inside the stadium there is a ground. So the ground we can say is an environment. Then you need to choose which environment you want to play in. So there is Python now. That is the language. So you cannot just go straight. You need to choose a, yeah, you need to choose an environment. Yeah.
I get what you mean about Python, but I'm saying, what's the idea of the Jupyter Notebook?
Oh, okay. Jupyter Notebook is a is like a, I can say is also like a, okay, how can I put this? Because if you go to Jupyter Note, you can use Jupyter Notebook as a ground as well. Just in Jupyter Notebook as a ground. So Python was a, for data science. It was it's Jupyter Notebook was created for data science. So then Visual Studio is not really for data science. So that is why normally if you notice where there's Python when you're doing data analysis, yeah, I think you have to choose the language Python. So where there is Python, then you need to choose Jupyter Notebook because it was created for data science. Jupyter Notebook was created for data science, but Visual Studio is for developers. It's actually for developers. Okay, just
I
try to, yeah.
I think it detected the language here, right?
Okay, try to run this code. Let's see if it's gonna run.
I think dfpd.e. Perfect.
Yeah, and read.
Oh, do I have to save it?
No. You run. Don't say control. Just you see that's a. You see near import. There is a triangular button there. Just go to it. No, on the right. On the right.
Uh,
No, not there. Not there.
which
You
one?
can.
This triangle?
No, you see inside the cell.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's not gonna run until that detecting what is finished there. So mm, okay, just go to, you see the where it is saying browse markets for,
Yeah.
yeah, just click in that blue option there. Yeah, yeah, and then say install there. Do you see Jupyter Notebook?
The first one.
Yeah, yeah, install.
Okay,
Yeah,
now it's installed.
installed, yeah. So you can go back to the, yeah, try to run. You see now, yeah, say Python
Select one.
environment. Yeah, say Python environment. Then you choose the higher version, the first one, not that one, the one that says 13.5. Yeah. Then you can run it. You see now. Uh, okay, try to run it. Oh, it is processing. Oh,
Oh, but this, I forgot this. I think it's a big database.
yeah, oh,
Value error.
uh, no, I think try to look. No, your link is, I think it is did you copy and paste the link?
Yeah, it's copy path from here.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Visual Studio. Okay, cannot, you must specify an engine manually. What? Mm. Oh, it's a CSV, this one. Try to change the and say CSV. Yeah, run. Yeah, now
Oh, now it's run over.
it's running. Yeah, you can add another cell.
Yes.
Yeah, it's running.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a key.
That's
Yeah.
a big one. Innit?
Okay, try to run to try it again so that you won't be confused when you're alone. Just delete the file and then add the new text file and then run everything again.
Just delete all of this.
Yeah, delete it. Yeah.
Like close from here, you mean, right?
Yeah, just close the
Okay.
and,
So,
and then maybe add the new file. Just add
oh,
the-
so the one from VS Code is not gonna work, apparently.
Yeah, yeah, it's on.
Does that usually happen? Like to load the libraries, do you need like the Jupyter
To what?
to load libraries like Pandas and NumPy and all of that?
Yeah,
You need Jupyter notebooks and all of that.
not really. You can even run Python on a Python app, but it's got some
Mm,
limitations. So
mm,
the problem is Visual Studio. Visual Studio, there's a problem in running Python alone. You have to have
mm.
Jupyter Notebook.
I get what you mean.
Yeah. Okay, you can select your. Oh no, you remember we are not selecting the first one. We select, go to file, then say new file. Yeah, yeah, that's one.
You
Then
find Jupyter Notebook,
yeah, then you
base
chose the,
3.13.
yeah.
Okay. PD. Yeah. Oh, this open.
Yeah,
Control enter. Okay.
yeah. So this is how it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Try to import NumPy. Do you know how to import NumPy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's the same way like import non-prime. But
Yeah.
what did you usually import it as? NP?
Is NP. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then import matplotlib dot pyplot
As what?
is a pyplot. Oh no, no. So sorry, just erase that one. Erase, yeah, erase, and then erase. Just say lib. Yeah, just say matplotlib.
Matplotlib?
Yeah,
No.
dot. No, just say dot after lib.
Dot?
Yeah, dot pyplot. P. Yeah, plot. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Then you say as PLT.
PLT.
Yeah.
What's pyplot in this? Is it the same thing as like function inside matplotlib?
Yeah, the pyplots is coming from the word py. You know, is for Python, then plot.
Python, yeah.
Yeah, so it's for
Oh,
actually plotting graphs. Yeah,
oh no. Pyplot, pylab, patches. Oh, there's a lot of stuff inside matplotlib. That's why.
yeah. So there is an advantage. So you find that when you are, that is why like the more you get used to do coding, then you get to see, okay, me, I'm more comfortable using Visual Studio because you can see while you are typing, Visual Studio can also give you some like recommendations.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's why I like it, to be honest. It's more
yeah,
user friendly also.
yeah. So other people they like it because of that, and but also it's got some disadvantages. Like you saw, what was the disadvantage? You have to
Yeah,
yeah install certain things from outside,
yeah,
and also yeah and the Jupyter notebook is very nice in terms of notes. If you want
mm,
to, it has a lot of like a. That is why it says a Jupyter notebook.
mm,
it is like a notebook. If you want to study something, okay, let me show you something.
yeah.
Can you show me the screen? Okay. Can you borrow me the screen so that I can share with you?
You want me to stop sharing mine, right?
Okay. Share. Okay. So mm, okay. So here. mm, Okay. Okay. So here, like if you notice here, mm, let me see if I can show something from here. Okay. Pandas. Okay. Let me show you maybe like if maybe I want to show a, let's say print a okay,
Mm.
So you can see, I can just say shift tab to show me like some some nodes for tuple. So you see tuple is a built-in immutable sequence. If no argument is given, they construct. So you can always refer to the nodes if you are stuck somewhere. So me, I like it for that reason. I would like, for example, a let me say, uh, say PD dot plot. Okay, yes, let me say. Okay, so wait it to process. Okay, so I can just click here and say, click inside here, inside this brackets, I can say shift tab. So now it will show me data frame plots, make plots of series of data frame, uses the peg specified by blah blah blah. So it will even show you different kinds of plots you can plot here, like line, bar, east, bars. That is what I like about it. So I can just say dot a bar. Okay, sorry. Let's say maybe I've forgotten what I need to do. I can just say shift tab and then I'll see, okay, these are the plots I can use on this code, and then go down and see some examples here. Okay. Okay, like for example here, okay, says you can say plot kind is equal to hist, and then the title you can say my plots. So let me just copy this one, and then
That's only on Jupyter Notebook, right?
yeah, only on Jupyter Notebook, and also you see I just copied that one, and now it's showing me. And also Colab, you know Colab. Have you ever used Colab before or heard about Colab?
No, to be honest.
Colab is a Jupyter Notebook in a cloud form. So let's search for Colab. So this is very nice. It's also got an AI inside. To me, I don't like to use it because it's on cloud. So I like this one. Because this one is free, it's on desktop, so you can use it even if it's offline. So this is Colab. You can say a new notebook. So these things are many. There's Colab, there's Visual Studio, Jupyter Notebook, Spider. You can just choose which one you want to. You can, but all of them you use them to use Python inside. Yeah, this is a Colab. You see, it's like Visual Studio. You can say import pandas. Is it is also nice. This I like this one. Then you can say df is equal to pd. You'll be confused which one to use now.
Yeah, I get what you mean. There are a lot of options.
Let me I can see you are really fast. It shows that you have an experience of this. Because many people
I'm
learn.
still learning. I'm not gonna say experience because I'm still at the beginning. But
Yeah,
I feel like yeah, I passed a bit of like the
uh,
basics and like the important because also beside like the learning and the Harvard CS50 and all of that,
uh,
uh, I'm like a curious guy, you know, like even after learning, for example, I open YouTube and keep watching like advanced stuff. So for example, I didn't learn about the importing till now in
uh,
the CS50, but I saw it before, so I saw how people do it. You get what I mean?
yeah, I see. Yeah, yeah. I see. It's good. That's why you really learn fast. You see now this is an advantage of Collab. Collab also has an
Mm.
AI. It's
Oh, like is it like Cursor?
sorry.
Is it like Cursor? You know Cursor?
I never used this one. I only heard of it. It's
Mm.
it's the same also as Visual Studio. Do you know Visual
Mm.
Studio has an AI inside?
Oh, I didn't know that.
But you need to download it. It is a I don't recommend using it for now because it's very
Yeah,
advanced, yeah, and it's also gonna make you lazy. Yeah.
yeah,
So
I get it. That's why I don't want to use AI, especially in coding in the beginning.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So then it's you learn it fast. But so once you
yeah,
use AI, you're gonna be feeling lazy, just like me.
yeah,
Now I most of the things
yeah,
AI.
yeah. But you have the basics anyway. You have the foundation. That's the
Yeah, yeah. Once you
yeah.
got the foundation, you can even because AI is not perfect. You can even be able to control the AI with it.
Mm.
Yeah.
I want to take your opinion.
So
I want
this
to
is
ask you about
actually
something actually.
yeah.
Is
Okay.
is it like uh, as I told you, I just graduated from mechanical engineer.
Mm,
So obviously, right now I'm still looking for jobs and working and all of that. But I
mm,
really like the AI and the data science career. But
mm,
AI especially, like I want to be a data science to go to through the machine learning and deep learning and AI.
mm.
Is it normal that people like maybe for example work in AI and machine learning, but they graduated for something else?
Yeah, it's possible. You see, since you now you got a me, I'm coming from textile qualification, so now I transitioned to data analysis, to data science. So
Mm,
now it's possible as long as you got like a qualification, like a previous qualification, you can do some certificates. But the
mm,
disadvantage is that the competition is very high, so most companies they prefer to take someone with a degree in data science, like who is a data scientist,
mm,
or uh, or you have to work maybe at least more harder, create more projects, put like more skills in your portfolio, and then you can stand out. But it
yeah,
doesn't.
I got what you mean.
Yeah. So, but you can get a job and be good even more than someone who did science, data sciences. You will
Mm,
find that they are not you will find that a person is a data scientist, is a degree in his but you can be more good than them. Because maybe,
mm,
but you need to specialize on one thing. Like you say, okay, me, I want to be a data engineer or data analyst or a machine engineer or
mm,
maybe a business analyst. If you just focus on one stream between those streams, then you can be very good and you can stand out for a job because
mm,
you will be, let's say maybe like me, I'm a data analyst.
mm,
So in data analyst, I know, okay, I need to know Excel, I need to know Python, I need to know Power BI, Tableau,
mm,
SharePoint, all these other things. So I grow myself within the data analyst environment. So even if someone from is coming as a data scientist and is working with me, I will be more deeper than him.
mm.
specializing in this one.
Mm.
But if I might like he might have machine learning, he might have maybe these other skills, but because he's not specializing in them, it's like you remember the modules you were doing maybe in your first year
Mm.
in mechanical. Maybe some of them you've forgotten about them. So it's like
Yeah.
yeah, it's like them. But if you specialize on one module, you'll be good and you'll never forget it.
Mm. Are
So
there other programming languages for the data scientists and machine learning and deep learning and all of that that's used other than Python?
yeah, there is Python, there is SQL. SQL is also a language, but it is a low-level language. So
Mm.
do you understand between the high level and the low
Y-
level?
y- Yeah, high level language is like similar to English or like the similar to humans.
Yeah, yeah,
Low level language is similar like to computer, like it's harder to code, like for example C and C sharp,
yeah,
because computer understands zeros and ones only, so it's like
yeah,
harder to code.
yeah. It's like that. Yeah. So you only use me. In data science you only use SQL, and you can use a Python or R. You can just
Oh, yeah.
yeah, R is more for statistic, but obviously, like data science is a statistic.
Mm.
So, so you will find that maybe R has more like other, maybe has more nice graphics than Excel, or maybe other libraries that than Python. Maybe Python doesn't have those libraries, but you can find them on R. Just like just like Jupyter Notebook and Visual Studio and Colab, it's almost like that.
Mm.
But me, I just see it as if it's best if you can just be good in Python, and then if you know you're good, then you can transition to R. R is just an alternative.
Mm.
An alternative. But the most important one is SQL. SQL is divided into three. SQL is MySQL, there is a SQL Server, and then there is a SQL. So there's MySQL, there's SQL, there's SQL Server. So
Mm.
these are the three SQL. So if you know all these ones, then you are good. There's no other
Mm.
language that you need.
Mm.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how it is. It's
Yeah.
just you're just playing with similar thing. If you are very good in Excel, even Excel is broad. How good do you think you are in Excel?
Oh, me?
Yeah, yeah,
No, not that much.
yeah. If you like, you find that since you're transitioning to data science now, Excel is the one that is like you will be circulating more into Excel than in Python. You see, like maybe you will work in the company, and then you find that these people are not that technical. Then
Mm.
you don't, if you will find yourself not using Python, not using R. Maybe you'll be only using Excel and SQL, or maybe
Mm.
Excel and Power BI. So then maybe these other languages you won't use them, because the people that are working with, they will tell you, hey, just give us what we know, just use Excel. Yabo. So which means
Mm.
you have to be very advanced in Excel, because you mustn't use Excel like any other person. You need
Mm.
to know how to do automation. You need to know how to do like VPAs and macros, Power Query, pivot
Mm.
tables, like lookup functions. Then you can
Mm.
be very good in data analysis in Excel.
Mm.
So have you ever used Power Query?
No, no.
So Power Query is very it's even more nice to clean data in Power Query than in Python, because Power Query saves more time and everything you just clicking. But here, when you're doing data cleaning, you need to use code, cleaning with the code. So, and also you can, there's so many things you can do with it. And it is it is working together with Power BI and the Power and Tableau. So Power BI, have you ever seen the dashboard from Power BI?
No.
Okay, let me show you here. Power BI is the number one, like in terms of visualization, because data science is all about, especially data analysis, is all about visualization. So you really need to
Is
know.
Power BI like a library, like Pandas?
No, no, no. Power BI is an app. An app. I'll show you the app. It's an app that you just download and then it's more for visualization. Okay, let me see here. So yeah, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard I created. It was this data was given by the Department of Transport. So maybe you might not see these sentences, but this is a summary of a survey that was taken from a Maritzburg taxi rank. So all the drivers and the passengers, they took the survey. They want to implement a smart driver, like something like an app that will be used instead of maybe going to the taxi, like going like by foot, going to the taxi rank and waiting for the taxi. You just need to use an app like Bolt or maybe Uber to get a taxi. So then we wanted to see like how many people uh, want this to be implemented and how many people they are used to like technology, like see here say familiar with smart payment method with age group. So you have old people, they are 41, and then youth, they are 58. So this data was having a rows that's around 3,000 rows. So Excel cannot handle such a data if you want to do like a report like this one. You need to use the Power BI. So Power BI is it can handle like a large amount of data and can just create a report for a big data. So you need
Is
to
it a
know.
code Power BI or just clicking?
No, Power BI, no, it's just clicking. It's very nice.
Mm.
Just clicking. Let me see. Let me show you the maybe the icon of Power BI. Power BI. So this is Power BI, and these are the dashboard. Maybe you have seen something like this. Yeah. So I is a very powerful tool. If you know Power BI, you can even get a job just by knowing Power BI. And you don't know Python, you don't know R, just know Power BI and Excel, because they are the most used. Like this one, yeah.
It's used in data analysis, right?
Yeah, in data analysis, also in yeah, there is, isn't it? There's data analysis and data analytics. You can use it on both places because you can visualize your data and yeah, and also predict. You can even predict like something for the future. It's almost like because data analytics is similar to machine learning, but
Mm.
machine learning is more models, like there's more models you need to learn about than data analytics. Maybe,
Mm.
for example, data analytics has six, but machine learning you need to know maybe 10. So that's the difference.
Mm.
Like,
Because machine learning, I think it's more also more about math.
yeah, but what? Sorry?
I think also machine learning because it has a lot of maths behind it.
Yeah, there's a lot of maths behind it. But have you ever did any code on Python using machine learning or like for machine learning?
No, I didn't. As I told you, I just started learning Python like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
you
not that
find,
advanced.
yeah, yeah. So like, machine learning, you can even, you don't need, that's what I noticed. You don't even need to know that much of a math. You know, you can even just learn it just straight in Python without
Mm.
knowing any. Yes, you need to know maths behind like yourself. You need to know linear functions. You need to know
Mm.
statistics. And you need to know many other things. But you there is also no need if you know how to code and you can be able to understand like what is happening in a linear regression and all those things. Then you can be good as someone who even did maths behind. Like me, I have a certificate in machine learning. I
Mm.
I can build a model. I even created an app in Visual Studio. This app you can just you can just put a data. You can train it with maybe this data and train the app with the data, and then say predict for me the maybe the assignment for
Mm.
this one for second semester. It will use this data here to predict the the assignment for this one of the next semester, maybe second semester. So yeah, I created such an app, so you can just train it with any data. But I didn't do like deep maths behind. I just learn it through Python.
Mm.
Yeah, Hamza, we can talk until the day, until all day, like until it finishes.
Yeah, of course, it never ends.
Yeah. Which language you speak? You speak French?
No, no, I speak Arabic and English.
Oh, hey, but your accent is more like French person.
Really?
Yeah, I know many French friends of mine. They have that accent that you
Maybe because of the R. Like in Arabic, also the R is very strong,
have.
so
Oh,
that's why we're similar.
all right, I see. Yo, all right. Say, I know we'll keep in contact. Say, just let me know which day maybe you want to have a lesson.
Yeah,
Uh,
of course, of course.
all right, okay. So,
Thank you, mate. Thank you so much.
no problem, bro. Yeah, we'll meet some other time.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sure.
Okay. Thank you, mate. See you later.
All right, see you, bro.
See you, mate.
Yeah. God, God, God.